What?
Little wonders, welcome back to our channel.
Today we are here with the amazing Hatchimals. And look at that! We get this amazing new sound clip-on mystery character pack. Who will you get? Well, it doesn't matter because anything we get, it's super awesome. Look at them here at the back. We have 3 different categories here from series 1. And we can get any of these beautiful Hatchimals. So let's open it up to see. Whoa, here we have it. Whoa, check that out, guys. We get a little note from Hatchimals, and it says, congratulations on your Hatchimals purchase. To use, simply open the egg to discover the mystery Hatchimal and press the Hatchimal's tummy to hear its unique sounds. Enjoy. Thank you. So let's open it then. Ooh, let's see, little Hatchimal. Okay, 1, 2, 3! Oh, wow! That is so cute! Look at these eyes! Oh, it has the cutest eyes I've ever seen. Really, look at that. So glittery and sparkle. It has a pink nose here. It's green and turquoise behind. And it has colorful wings as well. And you can hang it everywhere. Whoa! I'm gonna put it on my keys. Yeah, got a Hatchimal. Whoa! Sorry. Cute feet. So let's see which one is this. Oh, is this one here? Can you see it? That's it. It's from the pink koalas. So now I'm gonna press here to hear the unique sound. Let's see.
Hello. Hi.
Oh my gosh. Okay, is it not super cute? Really now? I want to squish it all the time.
Squish, 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 squish.
Oh, that is so sweet. I hope you enjoy this super cute Hatchimal egg, little wonders. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you love Hatchimals and you want to review more and more all the time. That's a cute egg. I'm gonna keep that to put stuff inside. Cool.
Thanks for watching, little wonders. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, and give us a thumbs up. Alright, bye.